Second tutorial on ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT use cases. The first use case is textual application, where ChatGPT is a language model can be used for a wide range of text-based use cases. Some of the most common use cases of ChatGPT include content creation. Now, ChatGPT can be used to generate high-quality content for websites, blogs, or social media platforms in a few seconds. This includes creating content like product description, blog post, social media post, draft for a business idea, long form content like entire articles. Can also be used for creative writing applications where it can help users generate unique ideas, brainstorm plots, and even write entire stories. Translation. ChatGPT can be used for translation services where it can automatically translate text from one language to another. Conversational AI, ChatGPT can be used to create intelligent chatbots that can converse with users in natural language. These chatbots can be used for customer service, sales for support, to produce human-like responses, as well as for the personal virtual assistants. Coding applications. Writing codes for ChatGPT can write codes for simple or repetitive tasks such as file input output operations, data manipulation, and database queries. However, it's important to note that its ability to write code is limited and the generated code may not always be the accurate one, optimized, or desired output. Simple for chatbot code is provided. Debugging. Chatbots' bug fixing abilities can also be valuable tool for programmers. It can assist in debugging code by proposing possible causes of errors and presenting solutions to resolve them. Code completion. ChatGPT can aid in code completion by anticipating the following lines or segments of code based on the context of and current code. Can be particularly advantageous for programmers who may not recall all of the syntax and functions of the programming language they are using, saving time and effort. Code refactoring. ChatGPT can recommend methods to enhance and refine the code structure, readability, and performance. Refactoring then entails modifying existing code to improve its quality without altering its behavior. ChatGPT can offer suggestions for renaming variables, removing repetitive code, and other enhancements that can make the code more effective and more accessible for other programmers to understand. Code documentation. When a programmer enters their code into ChatGPT, it proposes suitable documentation templates based on the programming languages and the kind of code being documented. For instance, if the code is function, ChatGPT can propose a function documentation template that includes parameters, returned values, and the description of the function's objectives. Code snippets generation. Code ChatGPT has the potential to produce code snippets in multiple programming languages based on user input and requirements. Code snippet is a brief piece of code that exemplifies a particular feature, function, or technique in a programming language. Code snippets can be helpful in illustrating how to execute a specific task or to resolve a problem in code and can serve as a foundation for more intricate programming projects. Educational applications for teachers, course content creation. ChatGPT can assist teachers in developing innovative ideas for lesson plans, activities, and projects that are in line with defined educational goals and curriculum guidelines. Teachers can employ ChatGPT to produce and organize the instructional content, including but not limited to presentations, worksheets, quizzes, other documentation educational documentation, customized to meet the students' individualized requirements. Grading. ChatGPT can help teachers with the grading of students' essays, by evaluating the content, structure, and coherence of the written work. AI can offer feedback on grammar, spelling, punctuation, and syntax while also assessing the quality of the argument or analysis presented. Nonetheless, it is vital to avoid solely relying on ChatGPT. For grading purposes, instead, teachers should have a critical process and employ ChatGPT to create the rubric used for grading. Designing syllabus outline. Incorporating ChatGPT in their teaching approach, educators can harness AI's potential to aid in a creation, organization, and structuring of course content in a coherent and efficient way. Some ways in which ChatGPT can help include developing course objectives and goals, generating topics for the course, planning lessons, identifying and assembling relevant resources and materials for the course. Help with homework. ChatGPT can be useful for students also in many aspects of their homework, such as answering questions, problem solving, concept reinforcement, improving writing skills. Thank you.